All right, well, we got the blinker issue fixed. While the truck was in here, we decided to do a little extra work. We wired up our wireless controller for our lights. I'll post a link to the wireless controller and a few other things down below. There it is. You engage the power on this by that. As you see, the lights on. Backlight's on now. I've had this truck for a few years now. That's the first time them lights has actually been hooked up. So that's cool. It's just a little control box down my fender well. I had to wire up. And yeah, I'll post a link for it down there. This runs on battery, and plus it hooks into USB, USB-C, whatever the hell you want to call it. I got the stickers and everything for it, but yep, it's pretty cool. I got a lot more wires to do, and a lot more lights to hook up later, folks. That's how you turn her off.